Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gamepass in Please Donate. First, open the Roblox website on your computer. Once there, navigate to the Create section, which you can find in the top menu. From the Create page, select Experiences, and then choose the specific experience or game where you want to add your Gamepass. This is the essential first step to getting started. Next, within your chosen Experiences settings, look for and click on Associated Items. This will open a new menu where you should select Passes. Here, you'll find the option to create a pass. You will then need to upload an image for your pass, give it a clear name, and write a brief description. These details help players understand what they are buying. After creating your pass, click on it to access its configuration page. On this page, you will see a toggle labeled Item for Sale. Make sure to switch this to the On position to enable purchases. Below this, you can enter your desired Robux price. Remember, Roblox takes a percentage, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Finally, click the Save button to apply all your changes and activate your Gamepass. Your Gamepass is now officially ready for players to purchase within Please Donate. They can find it at your stand and support your creations. Remember to check the description below for a special offer on the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other fantastic deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.